Hi guys, it's Wendy here from Inspired Vision, and we're here today with Alex, where we've just completed a full bathroom renovation. What made you decide it was time to renovate your bathroom?
Well, we'd moved house. We'd been in the house for about a year, and the existing bathroom was really small, a bit dated, and we decided to renovate the full house. And the first thing we wanted to do was to have a kind of luxurious large bathroom installed, which is why we came to talk to you in the first instance.
What were the main problems or frustrations you had with your old bathroom?
Well, it was too small, and it had like a shower over the bath scenario, which I really didn't like. Plus, we didn't install it, so it was kind of, let's put something new and fabulous in its place, or in fact in a whole different room.
Did you look at any other companies before you came to us?
No, what we did do was I had a look online at some design ideas, but didn't go anywhere else. The reason being, one of my friends who lives round the corner had a bathroom installed by yourselves, and I went on her recommendation.
What stood out about Inspired Vision when you first got in touch?
Firstly, you're along the road on the main street in Prestwick, and I had been looking in your window and liked some of the designs you had that I could see in the shop. And when I came in to talk to you, I liked the look of the products that you had there, and you were able to describe to me what you could offer.
Was there anything in particular that made you feel confident with choosing us?
Yes, I think the first time we met you, Wendy, and you invited us into your little design room at the back and made us feel comfortable, and initially understood the kind of look and feel we wanted, and then basically came up with some nice designs that we worked on together.
Did you feel like we understood what you were looking for?
Yes, totally understood the look and feel of the kind of luxury large bathroom we were after.
What was the process like from start to finish?
I think the most important part was getting the design right at the start, and we had a few ideas and a few meetings, but I think we got there really quickly. Another good point was when we were talking about budget, and we actually swapped out some of the larger tiles at the time because we were looking at kind of budget complications then, and you were really helpful at that point too. And thereafter, I think it was a case of what would happen and when with the different trades coming in and out of the house.
How did you find the communication and updates throughout the project?
Well, mainly that will be through yourself initially, around what the timescale might be, and then there was a lead tradesperson on the job that was in touch with us, and we liaised with both himself and you at the time.
What was your experience like with our team on site?
I would say they were all very professional, very different skills, and each of them were also quite high end at what they delivered, and they basically just made themselves at home and worked really well. And yeah, they had to work around what was going on at the back of the house as well, because we had building going on, so it worked really well.
How do you feel about your finished bathroom?
I totally love it. This was the first room we did in this house, and I said at that point, I think I'll just move into the bathroom because I love it so much. I really love it. It's really luxurious and comfortable, and I love the design elements and all the lighting, and everyone that comes to visit loves it too.
Did the result live up to or exceed your expectations?
I think it exceeded our expectations because this initially was a third bedroom, a really bland, boring old room, and it was quite hard to envisage how it might turn out. But when it did come to the end of the project, we thought it was fabulous.
Do you have a favourite part or feature?
It's definitely the bath for me. I could spend hours in there, and the fact that it's got a shelf next to it and some lighting is perfect.
How's your new bathroom changed things for you today?
It's just really lovely having a nice big space to come in and spend time in the morning, and you're not rushing in and out of your shower or your bath, you're taking your time, so it starts the day off really well.
Would you recommend us at Inspired Vision, and why?
Yes, I would totally, and I have done. I think probably because of the design and the fact that we built up that relationship with yourself, Wendy. We built up that relationship, so I think I definitely would recommend and have them.
What would you say to someone who's thinking about using us?
I would say go in and have a chat with yourself in the showroom, talk about what ideas they have and different designs that they have, and basically come in and have a conversation.
So if you like what you see and you'd like to learn more about how we can transform your bathroom, we offer a free quote as well as a free 3D design. So click the button below or get in touch for more information.